Assalamu alaikum. If you want business to business data collection from anywhere, this is software is very important for you. So how can we do data from any kind of country, any location? I am live share to you. First of all, I will click this option. So through the software, you can do lead generation for your agency, for your real estate business or anything. So suppose I want to take doctor number. So first of all, I will search option. Suppose doctor from I want London. Okay. So and search now. From the option, you can do anywhere, any location, targeted location, number, business name, and full address you can easily collect. So when you collect the number, you can easily marketing through any purpose, WhatsApp marketing or SMS marketing or telecommunication, anything else you can use this number. So any kind of business, this is very important software, and you can do unlimited lifetime use this software. If you want to purchase this software, you can contact with me on my WhatsApp, or you can contact my website wmarketingsoftware.com. So now I stop this option. I'm just test purpose something leads, where we collected 25 leads found, and contact, and hit the option doctor and search option, and you will see the number. And how can you do export the number? And you should do click option and export the name and save. Okay, and I'm save the option. Okay, so if you see the doctor name through the this number, you should follow up. I hope you will get targeted lead. So thank you. Assalamu alaikum.